Hello everyone, this is my review of the Maeve Uno Harvest organic dried fruit. This one is jackfruit. I'll let you take a look at some of the nutrition facts here. This dried fruit is organic and it doesn't have any additive or any other type of ingredients or preservatives or stuff into it. And it's chewy when it's dried out like this, but it's still pretty good. Let me open it up here so you can see inside and see what it's like. It's kind of sticky, they stick together, but you can peel it apart and eat in singles. So you can just eat the whole bunch together. But it tastes really good and it's nice, and I highly recommend this fruit snack, and I hope this review helps.